fourth song by Shawn Mendes is a finger-picking song, and it goes like this. So you're just alternating between two strings with your thumb and index finger. So to begin with, it's the 10th fret on the second string, 8th fret on the 5th string. You play those together, then the 5th string, 2nd string, 5th string, 2nd string, 5th string, 2nd string. Then it's the 1st fret on the 5th string, 3rd fret on the 2nd, and it goes 5th string, 2nd, back to the 5th, 2nd, 5th string, 2nd, 5th string, and 2nd. Lift off your 1st finger. Then we're going to alternate between the 2nd string and an open 4th, so the D string. So it's the 4th string, 2nd, back to the 4th, 2nd, back to the 4th, 2nd, back to the 4th. Then we're going to slide 3 to 5 on the 2nd string. And then we're going to do this chord again, so it's 3 on the 2nd, 1 on the 5th, play together. Then the top, the bottom, top, bottom, top, and the bottom string, or the 2nd string.